I'm holding a regular Wago terminal in my hand. And this is a special gel box from Wago, which costs as much as 2 airplane wings. An ordinary person can't afford this expensive toy. Just look at the sticky gel inside here. And Wago promises us that when we put this terminal in here, it'll be sealed to IPX8 level. Our connection will be sealed from water. But we don't believe that. We're going to take a device and check it ourselves. I'm holding a megometer in my hand. And now we're going to measure the insulation resistance after we seal this 221 terminal in this gel box. For that, we'll need a cup of water, a piece of wire, and of course, the megometer itself. We pour regular water into the cup and attach one probe of the megometer. We connect the second probe to the free end of the wire. And now we're going to dip it into this water. A small piece of insulation will check its resistance. That is, the resistance of just a section of insulation, because it will also be part of this experiment later when we use the Wago connector. Any high-voltage testing must not be performed without protective equipment. We set the megometer to 500 volts. We take a section of wire insulation like this. We submerge it in water, making sure it doesn't touch the sides of our container. And we start the measurement. 600 gigohms. The resistance of the wire section was 600 gigohms. Now let's try submerging the Wago connector in there and see what happens. We insert the wire and the terminal block. And now comes the most interesting part. We place the terminal block exactly in the center inside the gel box and snap it shut. Do you see how the gel is being squeezed out? You need to snap this terminal block closed. Honestly, I would use pliers here. When hand strength isn't enough, we have a reliable friend called the client tool. The gel was squeezed out and sealed the wire. Now we're going to submerge this wire with the terminal block right here, and I'll hold it so it doesn't touch the sides. Lowering it in. It was 600, now it's 215. Both results are really great. But we can see that the insulation resistance has decreased. And so, 6 hours have passed. 263 gigohms. Look at how this gel was pushed out. Because of this, the gel box reliably protects our terminal block from water. After that, the gel box opens easily. €8 for this kind of jelly, which you can easily remove from the terminal and maybe even use a second time. What do you think?